Today we are here at the Chicago Drives Electric event put on by the Chicago Automobile Trade Association.
So Chicago Drives Electric is a brand new EV educational event and experience to educate the media, consumers, as well as dealers on the EVs that are coming fast to market.
Powering Chicago is here to support not only the electrification of transportation, but the most important component, which is a reliable and safely installed infrastructure.
People have a lot of curiosity. There's a lot of news around electrification of vehicles, and people want to know what's coming next for them. Is this right for them? Will they be able to buy one? Will they be able to charge it in their home? If I live in an apartment, is this right for me? There's a million questions that people have about these vehicles, and they want to know if they're right for them or not.
A couple of things you want to do is, one, you want to have a qualified electrical contractor come out and evaluate your electrical service. If a level 2 charger, most common size 40 amps, but there are larger available, if that's the route you're planning on going, it may end up being the largest electrical appliance in that structure. So it may require service upgrades, it may require some more wiring done, bring more power out to a detached garage.
Our goal as a dealer association, we want to educate the consumers as well as our dealers and media friends on the EVs that are coming to market and why it's important to make that next step.
Here we provide our service to what will be needed once you do finally purchase that electric vehicle, which is the electrical vehicle supply equipment or the charging stations. Our members are well trained in not only what is the electrical vehicle supply equipment installation, but the other components that will be needed to tie into that system.
So one of the critical topics that we were discussing today with our dealer session was how imperative it is to have a contract electrician, even maybe on staff. Our goal as a dealer association is to marry this all together and bring the right people into the rooms.
In order for us to proceed and go forward with this electrification, there's a lot of things that have to happen. For example, dealerships may not have the amount of power that they need to provide the electrical charging for these vehicles and show them properly. So what car dealers need to do is they need to find quality contractors who can come out and safely put in infrastructure so that when a dealer wants to charge a vehicle, they know it's charged safely and the consumer can understand the process and everything that goes along with being an EV owner.
With this industry and this infrastructure growing quickly, there are a lot of incentives that are available for consumers now, and the widespread adoptability of EVs is coming, and it's coming now.
We're trying to educate people, bringing them here, having them take a look at the cars, ask questions to qualified representatives who know about this and could give them answers to their questions, and hopefully they'll come away with some knowledge and they'll be an EV buyer of the future.
We talked a lot about what the future looks like and how electricians are key to that. So involving Powering Chicago for us was a natural fit. They're just a great team to work with, and really appreciate their support.